You guys subscribe to this channel for the streaming content that I bring you on Streamdroid, but this is going to be the end of the channel, and I'm going to tell you why coming up. Welcome back to Streamdroid, hope you are well, and yes, you guys subscribe to this channel for streaming content, but the time has come where I've had to make a decision on if I'm going to keep the channel or if I'm going to remove it or change the content. I've spoke about it before on my other channel, but I have to do something about it because I might risk losing both channels, and I'm going to tell you why. So if we head on over to my Streamdroid YouTube channel, you can see I am now on one of 3 copyright strikes, and I have an active community guideline strike. And if you get 3 copyright strikes, your channel is gone. And if you get a community guideline strike, your channel is also gone. And as you can see, you only get warned once. And I've been warned, and that is not going away. Now, the reason why I haven't posted any videos is because of the copyright strikes. I've had to remove so many videos, and with YouTube, if your channel gets removed or terminated, then you're not allowed to create a channel under any account. And even though I've got a separate channel under a different account, if they do find out, I also risk losing that. So I have to make a decision, and I am making that right now. So if you guys don't know, I've been working on a new website. I've been sharing it on Twitter. If you guys are not following me, it's called Streaming Privacy, and it's relating to privacy when streaming. Funny enough, it's as easy as that. So what it is, it's going to be a website that will give you tips, tutorials, and how to set up VPNs, what the different features are of the VPNs, and full dedicated in-depth reviews of VPNs that I'm going to bring here on this channel, including the latest VPN news, updates, and everything that's going on. I've been working hard on this website, and we're now on 70 Twitter followers, so I'm going to leave the Twitter link down below if you guys have got it, so you can come and support the new Twitter page. Because if you haven't noticed already, I have also lost the Streamdroid Twitter page, which is another reason why I have to do something about it. Now, a lot of you guys might not like it, and if you do unsubscribe, that's completely fine, I understand, but I am not going to put myself in a position where I'm going to risk losing 2 channels. So I am going to be changing the name of this channel to Streaming Privacy. I'm going to rebrand it, and it is going to be linked to streamingprivacy.com, and it's all going to be about protecting your privacy when streaming. And that isn't pushing VPNs on every video, that's tutorials on Android boxes and Fire Sticks, different VPN tricks. I don't really recommend free VPNs, but there's going to be content relating to that. There's going to be the latest news of everything that's going on the scene, and it's just going to help you guys stay up to date. I'm not going to be biased towards one specific VPN. I'm going to literally review every single VPN I can get my hands on, and somehow put a scoring system in place and add that to the deals and offers page that I've already got active, which I'll leave down below, and I am updating daily. So that will show you all the features of the VPN, the current offer that's in place, so you guys can decide which VPN is best for you. And this is the website. If you guys haven't checked it out, as you can see, I've been posting some news about how to set up IPVanish on and the NVIDIA Shield, and I'm going to do that with other VPNs as well. Also about using VPN to like premiumize. I've got content for Real Debrid coming, information about split tunneling. So there's going to be loads of different news and updates and tutorials on here. You're going to have a dedicated review section where I'm going to review each and every single VPN. And you can see there's already one for Torguard on there with a score. And there's also a deals and offer page, which again, I'm updating daily. You're going to have all the best and well-known VPNs on here for the moment, like IPVanish, Nord, Express, PIA, Strong, VPN, Torguard, Pure, Proton, Hide Me. So there's a lot of different VPNs on here, and it'll show you all the features and benefits, a little bit about it, a score on the speed, and also any offer that is available. So it will be completely down to you if you are looking for a new service and you want a discount. everything will be on this page. So we also have a Facebook page. It'd be great if you guys can come over and like the page. As you can see, we're lacking a bit, but it's only just been launched and we are nearly on 80 followers already, which is great. So it'd be nice if you guys can support me and help these pages grow by heading over to streamingprivacy.com and following the social pages. It's something I didn't want to do, but I have been working hard on this website and I have to do something with Streamdroid, so that is what's going to happen. So from now on, you should start to see a new logo on this channel. I'm going to try and change the URL, but Streamdroid is now going to be Streaming Privacy, but the Streamdroid website will still be there for you guys if you want to use it, and I will also still be updating it. And that's it. I wanted to give you a quick update as to what is going on. Apologies to those of you that don't like it, but like I said, if you want to unsubscribe, no hard feelings, I totally get it. But the Streamdroid channel is on the path to being lost and I need to save it somehow, so this is what I'm going to do. Let me know in the comments section what you guys think, and if you do unsubscribe, I do appreciate all the support you have given the Streamdroid channel, and of course thank you for all your interactions, and I wish you the best, but hopefully you guys will stay on board, because I'm going to be putting a lot of time and effort into this and making it hopefully the #1 place for you guys to go to if you're looking for a VPN tutorial, news, or even deals and offers. So let me know what you think. I'm going to start making the changes and I'm looking forward to bringing you reviews on this channel of each and every VPN I can get my hands on. But for this video, that is all. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.